Alright, here we go. Go.
Didi, you want some catnip? You want some catnip?
And pull it away. Baby!
Give me catnip now!
Come on!
Some catnip?
Just let it down now. Put it down. We gotta glue it back down. That was probably a bad idea. You got any duct tape?
Yeah. Oh my god! Shut up! Didi, don't be a druggie, please. I didn't raise a druggie now. Be nice with it. What's he looking at? No. That's it. Please. Ouch.
Just leave it alone. You'll be alright.
I'm afraid he's gonna